air fried lava sauce chicken wings. Yes, we are breaking out that air fryer today, baby. And we are whipping up nothing but pressure. This right here is so flavorful, so amazing. You are going to love it. So easy to make, and I'm about to show you how it's done. So let's get started. So you want to begin with about 1.5 pounds of your chicken wings. You want to make sure it's patted dry. I'm just drizzling a little bit of oil on my chicken and massaging it right on in. And of course, we have to season up our chicken to perfection. So on the screen and as well as in the description box, it will be listed the ingredients to do so. This is my little all-purpose seasoning blend. So go ham, go crazy, be generous, and season this chicken like your life depends on it. We about to bring back the old school model. All my OGs know this model right here. Ain't no bland chicken over here, okay? That's definitely a throwback. I feel like I haven't said that in a while. So yes, go ahead and season up your chicken and load them into that air fryer tray just like so. So we are gonna air fry these at about 385 degrees Fahrenheit for about 15 to 17 minutes or so. You want to make sure they're nice, beautiful, and golden brown, and you can flip them halfway through the process if you want as well. So in the meanwhile, we are going to get our sauce together. I'm dumping in buffalo sauce, Sriracha sauce, honey, crushed red pepper flakes, garlic paste, unsalted butter. You want to go ahead and get all of these ingredients in this pan at about a medium heat, and you want to get it to a simmer, give it a mix, get everything combined, talking to one another. This sauce right here is perfection, okay? Yes, it's a little bit of heat, but ain't nothing wrong with a little bit of heat in the kitchen, okay? You gotta get a little spice in your life every now and then, you heard me? So go ahead and get this together, and once our chicken is ready, we're gonna drop this right on top of our yummy, well seasoned up chicken wings. Don't leave me high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're gentle and wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. So this is how your chicken should be looking, fresh up out the air fryer. Oh, so beautiful. I mean, you could bust down on these bad boys just like this. They're so well seasoned up. Come on now. But we're gonna take it to the next level with this crazy lava sauce, okay? So go ahead and get all of your chicken into a mixing bowl just like so. And once they're all there, we're gonna drop that sauce. Okay, we gonna drop that sauce right on top, okay? And we're gonna give it a toss, make sure all our chicken is well coated up. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. So this is pretty much it. You are ready to bust down, grab your finest china up out of the cabinet and plate up, baby. Garnish with a little bit of curly parsley. And man, oh man, you're gonna just love this right here. It's just simply amazing. Man, words cannot give this recipe justice. Just know it's bussin'. Hope you all enjoyed today's video. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, rock that notification bell so you don't miss out on the latest video. Drop a like on this video. Drop a comment down below. Let me know what you think, and I will see you on the next one. Deuces.